McKinsey just dropped a report. 50% of white-collar jobs vanish by 2028. That's 94 million workers globally. Not maybe, not eventually, by 2028. Goldman Sachs analyzed 300 million jobs across 8 countries. They're finding 300 million roles exposed to AI automation right now. Microsoft reported their enterprise clients already replaced 47,000 customer service reps with AI this year alone. Deloitte tracked 3.2 billion workers in vulnerable positions. Here's what breaks down first: data entry, analysis, customer support, coding. These roles collapse within 36 months. Your industry is next, not because AI is sci-fi anymore, because it's already deployed at scale. Google's Notebook LM replaced 70% of their research documentation team internally. Goldman Sachs employees now use ChatGPT for financial modeling daily. Your salary exists because humans did what machines couldn't. That changes now. This isn't speculation from futurists. This is what happened last quarter at Fortune 500 companies. Your job security depends on skills machines can't replicate yet. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI, every day.